Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change and adjust an easy ball catch. As you can tell, this one right here is broken, and so I'm going to show you how we're going to fix this. Let's go ahead and dive in. As you can tell, here is the broken one. The ball has popped out, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this one and take all these screws out and then move this piece out. All right, so I went ahead and removed those pieces, and you can just pull this right out. So that is broken. So I'm going to go ahead and put the new one in. All I'm doing here is just replacing this, and it should fit right in there. There you go. And then I'm just going to put the new screws in. So all I did was just screw these screws in, and now we're going to see if it fits in the door. This door is in my kids' room, and no one knows how it magically broke, but you want to make sure it's tight enough to latch and not shake, but not too tight so they can't open it. All right, so you can tell that it doesn't really fit. It's not tight enough, so I'm going to show you guys how you can adjust it as well. So in order to make this higher, I'm just going to need to adjust it a little bit. You can tell by this one that you can see it open that it does adjust that way. And so this one is just screwed in. So what I'm going to need to do is grab these pair of pliers I have right here. And I'm just going to adjust this until it is tight. Hey guys, I realize I didn't show you how to do this, but either way, all you have to do is grab the gold part for this example and spin that, and that's going to determine how high your ball is. So guys, I wanted to show you that I did take the old plate off. All I have to do is pop out those two little screws, and I'm going to put this new plate in to see if it will catch a little bit better. So I ended up adjusting this a little bit higher. As you can tell, it's a little bit higher than it used to be. So we're going to see if this works. Now it is tight and works great. Hopefully my kids won't break this one anytime soon. I will have a link in the description for the ball catch I used, and I have another video here that shows you how to fix a ball catch if you still have the ball.